When embarking on the search for a photovoltaic system, it's crucial to exercise caution and diligence. In the market, there exist unreliable providers who may lure you with the promise of an astonishingly low price, government subsidies, and swift installation. In reality, the subsidies they assure may turn out to be non-existent or drastically lower than advertised. Their subpar service quality is often a clear indicator of these dubious practices. Furthermore, such providers may even subcontract the installation to a third-party company, leading to prolonged waiting times despite full payment. However, as a reputable regional master company, Elitab Technology proudly shoulders all responsibilities without requiring any upfront payment. We maintain an independent stance from financial entities and prioritize personal interactions. Upon an initial phone consultation, we arrange for an in-person visit, utilize advanced drone technology for site assessment, and engage in comprehensive discussions regarding your specific needs. Following this, we present a non-binding proposal, followed by a professional installation by our adept experts. Our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction is evidenced by the prompt on-site presence and responsive resolution of any issues, as echoed by numerous delighted customers. Waste no time and secure a no-obligation consultation through our website today at www.elitabtechnology.com.